Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious vegetable omelet. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. You'll want 1 bird egg, 1 goat butter, and 1 rock salt. Then, choose any vegetable, flour, or herb you like. For a boost in health, consider using hardy radishes or big hardy truffles. These ingredients are easy to find across the land and will make your meal extra special. Let's get cooking. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time to cook. Find any cooking pot, which are conveniently located in many villages and stables. Open your inventory and carefully select your 1 bird egg, 1 goat butter, 1 rock salt, and your chosen vegetable. Once selected, simply drop all 4 items into the simmering pot. The magic of cooking will begin instantly, transforming your raw ingredients into a delightful dish. Congratulations, you've successfully cooked a vegetable omelet. This wonderful dish will restore a good portion of your health, helping you on your adventures. It's a warm and satisfying meal, perfect for replenishing your energy after a long journey or a tough battle. Remember, cooking is a key skill, and this simple omelet is a fantastic way to keep yourself in top shape. Here are a few pro tips for your omelet-making journey. Don't be afraid to experiment with different vegetable, flour, or herb combinations. Some might offer unique benefits. Always carry extra bird eggs, butter, salt, and vegetables in your inventory so you can cook whenever hunger strikes. And if you have the ingredients, cook several omelets at once to stock up for future adventures. Happy exploring!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.